Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I am going to tell you how to fix Face ID disabled on iPhone. So guys, if your Face ID has been disabled on iPhone and not be able to set up your Face ID, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply now I am turning on means I am going to set up Face ID on my iPhone and seeing that what kind of error will be open. So guys, here you can see Face ID. So guys, here you need to put passcode of your iPhone, click on setup ID and click on get started. And guys, now you can see I am facing the issue that Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later. So guys, when you set up your Face ID and facing this type of issue or having any other issue related to Face ID, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings and click on general, and guys after this you need to scroll down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys click on reset all settings. So guys, after doing this, simply your settings will be reset and your data will be not losing. So guys, after doing this you need to go back, and second is you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using any oldest iOS version, mean 14, 15 or 16, then guys you need to update your iPhone to 17. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and the third method is you need to click on Apple Support. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys select your gadget, scroll it down, click on more, and guys here you need to find Face ID. So guys, here you can see Face ID, you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to wait. And guys, if you have the problem related these articles, so guys for example I have this type of problem, is if a Face ID is not working, you need to click on it, and guys after clicking on it you need to wait, and after this scroll it down. And guys after this, here these are the two options, yes or no. So guys you need to click on no, and guys when you are clicking on no, then guys this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply here you need to write your problem that you have on your Face ID. So guys, after writing your problem, simply you need to click on submit, and guys after submitting, within few days your problem will be fixed. So guys, if your problem is not falls in this category, then guys simply you need to scroll it down, and here the option of contact call. So guys you need to click on call, and guys you need to call them at these two numbers, and guys tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and having this problem again and again, then guys you need to go expert mechanic and tell them your problem, and guys he will solve your problem, because this problem is occur mostly when your Face ID has been damaged. And guys after telling your problem to mechanic, guys he will change your Face ID physically, and guys after this he will fix your problem easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.